Is your T-Mobile voicemail unexpectedly speaking Spanish? This is a common issue often caused by software glitches, phone language settings, SIM card changes, or T-Mobile system configurations. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. Common causes include software glitches that affect voicemail sync, your phone's language settings overriding voicemail preferences, changes to your SIM card triggering regional defaults, or T-Mobile system configurations prioritizing certain languages. The voicemail language follows a specific hierarchy. First priority goes to your phone's operating system language. If that's not set, it uses your SIM card region. Finally, it falls back to T-Mobile's carrier defaults. For example, if your phone is set to Spanish or you're in a Spanish-speaking area, the voicemail may automatically switch to that language. The quickest solution often involves resetting your voicemail language settings. The next section will go over exactly how to do this. First, try resetting directly from your phone. Dial 86, T-Mobile's voicemail access number. Enter your password and follow prompts to change language, usually pressing 4 for English. If that doesn't work, perform a network reset on your phone. Go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This forces your phone to reconnect to the T-Mobile network. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support for a back-end reset. Keeping your visual voicemail app updated can prevent future language mix-ups.